ongoing thing.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you? I hope you are all well. I am Dia Silviana from Islamic High School Al-Azhar, study program Madrasah Ibtidaiyah Teacher Education Semester 4. In my video, I will convey how ethics cope because now the world is suffering from disease that is COVID-19. Enjoy watching my video. Now I will explain the true or false cope ethics. About false cope ethics, number 1, cope close with fish. And number 2, cuff closed by hand. And number 3, cuff closing without anything. Now the true cuff ethics. Close your mouth using your inner arm when coughing. Number 2, close your mouth with tissue and throw the tissue into the trash. After that, wash your hand. With soap. Clean your hands. Number 3, use a mask when coughing. After that, throw the mask in the trash. And after that, wash your hand. With soap. Was a cook ethics may be useful. I apologize if something is wrong. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.